How can students create powerful mind maps for review? Imagine turning your study notes into a colorful, easy-to-follow map that makes exam prep less stressful. That's what a well-made mind map can do for you. Creating a strong mind map starts with a clear plan. First, pick your main topic and put it right in the center of your page. Use a large, bold font or a bright color so it stands out. Next, draw thick branches from the center to major subtopics. Think of these as the main roads leading to different parts of your subject. For each subtopic, add smaller branches that break down into key points or details. Keep these notes short and to the point, using keywords instead of full sentences. This makes it faster to review and easier for your brain to connect ideas. Use different colors for each branch or category. For example, use blue for definitions, green for examples, and red for important facts. Adding symbols or small pictures can also help your memory. For instance, a light bulb for ideas or a checkmark for important points. Connect related ideas with lines or arrows to show how they link together. This visual connection helps you see the bigger picture and understand how concepts fit. When reviewing, don't just make one map and forget about it. Revisit and update your mind map regularly. As you learn more, add new branches or reorganize existing ones. Digital tools like MindMeister or Xmind make editing easy and let you move parts around. To make your mind map even more effective, focus on keywords and essential information. Avoid writing full sentences because quick notes are better for review sessions. When preparing for exams, use your mind map to quiz yourself. Cover parts of the map and try to recall what they mean. This active recall boosts your memory and helps you identify weak spots. Remember, the goal is to create a visual summary that makes complex ideas simple and connected. By following these steps, you turn your study material into a powerful tool for review, helping you stay organized and confident during exam preparation. Keep your mind maps lively and updated, and they'll become your best allies for academic success.